I'm Destiny Chirls. I'm the clinic manager for Sophia Health Institute based out of Seattle, Washington. Our practice is quite large. We have over 35 employees at one location, and we also have 4 additional locations. And we have 8 physicians. I have about 10 administrative personnel, and then the rest are supportive therapy providers. Every single provider that we bring into the clinic or administrative member, it only takes me a day to train them in Charm. They're able to learn all the functions very quickly. They're able to implement everything. They're able to understand the system. It's extremely user-friendly. I give them a computer. I show them how to log into Charm, and most of it's self-explanatory. And we have anywhere from medical doctors, naturopathic physicians. I have a lot of massage therapists. We have colon hydrotherapists. I have an acupuncturist. A lot of unique individual personalities. A lot of people from different skill sets, younger employees, older employees, and not one of them has had a problem learning Charm and how to utilize all the functions that it has. One of the great features I think about Charm is that it does allow for multiple facilities. And I have physicians that travel to multiple facilities, and then I also have some facilities where they have their own physicians. But we have some patients that start at one facility and then transfer to another facility. And because they're all within Charm, it's so seamless to migrate that data. Our clinic just started using the site-specific inventory in Charm, and that's made a huge difference for our inventory processing and sales orders and tracking by multiple facilities. And then we just learned at this conference actually about quick text. So we're really excited to start implementing that for the physicians and for messages and for a lot of other tools that we can use. A lot of our patients are not local to our area, and so we do use telehealth a lot. Telehealth's fabulous because you can track that data, you can send it to the patient. It's a lot easier than a phone call where you have to call or they have to call and you're trying to figure out who's doing what, what's doing where. And so it makes us more global in many ways, and it allows us to reach out to more patients that wouldn't have been able to work with us. We have a lot of international patients, though, and they don't have any problem connecting to Charm from where they're at. So from their Charm patient portal or what be it, everything seems to be quite functional for them. We have patients from Europe, patients from Australia, patients from China, India. They come from everywhere, and not one of them has complained about the use of Charm. Our clinic is a cash-based practice, and Charm is really functional for that because they've integrated with a company called Bluefin, which has made our process extremely streamlined. So a physician or a provider enters the encounter. I have a simple administrative person easily accept that encounter, create an invoice, and we automatically charge. Those invoices and those charges can go straight to the patient portal, where it's extremely easy for them to see everything. Because we're cash-based, they can also get a super bill where they can submit to their insurance for reimbursement if they want as well. So that our patients are happy, so they can get money back, and my clinic is happy because we're able to get payment the same day of service without having to wait for anything. We're able to tell patients up front what the costs are, so they understand the fees before they get the services. This has been one of the most amazing conferences I've ever been to. The location is absolutely gorgeous. The food is delicious. It's 5-star. The rooms are amazing. Most of all, the Charm people are kind and supportive and having a fabulous time. One-on-one time that I have had, they were extremely helpful, and the systems that Charm didn't have in place already are things that they're willing to consider for the future, which is always very supportive. The training presentations were absolutely wonderful. I've been a Charm user for almost 5 years now, and I've learned stuff, especially since Charm is constantly updating and improving their systems. I'm walking away with great, amazing things that I can share with my team. Absolutely. If you use Charm, you should come. You should come every year. I would come every year if I could.